What's going on, guys? It's Aaron Van Green down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today I have a brand new 2021 Jeep Cherokee Altitude. Now, being an Altitude, you do have your black rims, you have your black badging all the way around, of course you have your black wheels as well. Now, this vehicle does come equipped with LED headlights. Now, moving away to the side here, in the mirror here, you do have heated mirrors on both the driver's side and the passenger side, but you also have your blind spot detection as well. Now, you also do have your keyless entry. You just put your hand in there. You don't need to pull your key out of your pocket. Best part is, you can lock the vehicle as well. Now, if you're making our way back here, you do notice that you have your 4 and 7 pin wiring with your Class 5 Hitch receiver, and you also have your hands-free liftgate, which is also very helpful when you're carrying a couple bags of groceries. You have tons of space in there, and you also have a full-size spare underneath. Now, follow me to the inside and I can show you a couple features. Alright guys, now that we're inside the brand new Jeep Cherokee, I'd like to show you a couple features that I like personally. Now, the one major thing that I like is the heated steering wheel. It is such a luxury and it keeps my hands really nice and warm on those minus 20 to 25 days. You also have heated seats on the driver's side and the passenger side. Now, moving your 8.4-inch touchscreen here, you do see that you have your heated seat control. You also have your off-road page, and you mainly control a lot of your SUV from this 8.4-inch touchscreen. You do have your park alarms here, and moving down, you have the auto on-off button, your traction control. Now, moving down, one thing that I like to point out is the snow mode, sport mode, and sand and mud mode. Now, the snow mode actually starts you off in second gear, so you have better traction in that slippery weather. And moving to this USB port here, you do have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is really nice for connecting your phone and having hands-free with Siri with the button right here on the steering wheel. Now, moving to the center console here, you do have one nice level for storage. Underneath, you have more with a second USB port as well. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Cherokee with a panoramic sunroof, call me at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today, and I look forward to chatting with y'all soon.